Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking small fish curry which is super easy, super yummy and dense with lot of protein and omega fatty acids. So please choose this small fish, though it takes lot of time to cook, but it is super nutritious and very good for our children growing age. So I bought this fish and it took me lot of time to clean because they do not clean the small fishes but they do clean the big fish. So I cleaned and washed it several times with water because the fish you need to wash, unlike chicken does not need more of wash, but fishes do need to clean a lot of time so that it does not give that smell. But it took me lot of time to clean, but it cooking it will take me only 5 minutes. It is so simple and so quick to make. So here I am going to chop half a onion and chop the tomato and few green chili, and I am going to mix everything. So friends, I am not going to fry this fish separately. So few fishes do need to be fried, but this fish I am going to mix everything and just put it in the pan and cook it without frying it, and it will take hardly 5 minutes. So here I am going to add the onions. Now I'll cut the tomato. Friends, thank you so much for your support, and I really do appreciate you supporting me because without support I cannot go far. So I do like to make different kind of recipes like South Indians, North Indians, and also Bengali recipes and upload in my channel. I am in North India for almost a decade now, so I do make lot of South Indian healthy dishes. If you want to check, please go to my channel and check out the South Indian recipes. So here I am going to slit the green chilies, and also I am going to put it here. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you do like my videos, please do leave a comment, and your comment will motivate me to cook nice recipes and upload in my channel. So I'm going to add here a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder and salt as per taste, and I am going to add 2 spoon of mustard oil. So I am going to cook with this recipe with mustard oil. Friends, the secret ingredients of this recipe is mustard oil. There are few recipes, it goes well with certain ingredients, and if you follow that, the taste increases more. And then I am going marinate everything nicely, and I keep it for cover and keep it for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll put a pan on the gas and just put little bit, just half a teaspoon of oil and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half chopped onion, and then I'm going to fry it. So you may not give this fry cumin and onion also, but I have realized that because I made once, if you give fry these cumin and onions, it gives a very nice flavor. Otherwise, simply you can put it in the pan and cook it, and that will also be very yummy. But if you add fry this onion and cumin, this fish curry will be super flavor, nice taste. So now see, now I am going to put this marinated fish in the pan, and then I am going to wash the bowl and just add 2 spoon of water and mix this everything very nicely, and then I'll cover it and cook it for just 2 minutes. Friend, there are few fish, unlike meat like prawns, small fish does not need overcook. If you overcook, the taste actually diminishes. So it just need to be cooked the right amount of time. And so it's almost done. After 2 minutes, I'll open the lid and I'm going to add the freshly chopped coriander leaf. So the coriander leaf will enhance the taste of the dishes. So friends, it's almost done. Now I'm going to switch off the gas, and the fish curry is ready. It took me hardly 5 minutes to be cooked, and it is very super yummy with hot steamed rice and super nutritious. Please don't forget to cook it for your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.